Hello everybody, my name is Pt.1 and welcome to Butcher. Now I've been waiting to record this game for a long time. It's been too long since I've actually played through this campaign properly. So this game, if you can't already tell by the background, is a 2D shooter with over-the-top violence. Maybe? I don't know. But I really like this game for some really strange reason. I don't know why. It's really fun. So, now, that little opening cutscene where I said the easiest mode is hard, no joke, I have literally completed this game on hard, and the only three other difficulties are harder, the hardest, and impossible. And impossible can only be unlocked by collecting skulls, which is these little things, but a lot less textured. Now, I am going to... what am I saying? I am going to go through this game on harder. Because hard is the easiest difficulty, and to be honest, it's not that hard. Unless you're me. And I forgot to set on my timer. Whoops. Okay. As you can see, all skulls gone. I can't choose any of the other levels. I can only start the game. Now, there is controller support, which is now proper controller support now, but it's not really. I'm not gonna try it in this playthrough. I might try it in some other playthrough, but I don't know. Okay, let's start. Okay, harder. Oh, impossible's locked again. And that's the only cutscene you'll see for a long time. Okay, now the station is just like a little hub. Like, there's no enemies around. There's just little portals that you go through every time you complete an area. And gore. There is a lot of gore in this game, so, as you can tell right about now. So if you're not a fan of gore, I recommend clicking away now. Okay. What makes this game hard is that once you get into the other difficulties, like in harder, you get less maximum health. It doesn't look like I get like less maximum health, but I do. But in the hardest, there is absolutely no health or armor drops, but your health comes back on the start of every level. I love this game. It's also well detailed too. Like, the little weapons. That's cool. The little weapons that the enemies were holding, like little jetpack guys, they're all pistols, and they all eject like tiny little yellow casings. And also, I would be, if I went through this a little faster, I would be able to get this skull, but I wasn't. No, if I passed through here and got to here quickly enough, I would have gotten the skull, but I can't. So I have to go through here and survive this little. Not even a death trap. Also, I will make a walkthrough of all the skulls once I've completed the impossible difficulty. Like that's ever gonna happen. Oh, mod. Also, thanks for the ratings on I Am the Butcher video, you cocksuckers. Four dislikes. Took you long enough to dislike the video. Also, this level, all the levels are speedrunnable. But I'm not going to speedrun them. I did speedrun the first level, that's because there was a little GIF or GIF image with the speedrun mode being released, and I just tried to follow that as much as I can, and I did it. And I can't get any faster. Which is my complaint, where I think people are cheating. I'm not sure though. Also, Merry Christmas, by the way. Merry late Christmas. It's a bit late to say, but I had a bloody amazing Christmas. Oh, can I make it? Can I make it? Can I make it? Oh! Slightly nicked. I'm alright. Oh, this game. Not for the over-the-top, like, brutality, but for the little details, like for the shells, the little impact effects on the bullets, I mean, the explosions, the little, like, shrapnel. They all inflict, like, the smoke effects. Oh, it's amazing. I love it. And also, these little guys that don't have any weapons can drop health. As you can see. It's so fun! I can't get over it. Also, the levels have changed a bit since the last two levels I don't recognise when I was playing it myself. Also, I haven't explained what the story is. Basically, you are a cyborg, which is a cross between a human and a robot. You are a cyborg programmed to eliminate all human vermin off the earth, off the face of the earth, and you'll see how that is done at the end of this run. I think, I don't know. It won't be like a really fuck-off long series, since it's only like... It's a really short game, but it's really fun and hard. Well, it's not hard yet. Well, it will get hard, and I will rage probably. Most likely. As you can see, it gets really hectic as you go along. Ugh. And that is the end of the second level. How long have I been recording for? I have low power mode on my phone, so it keeps on locking itself. I've been recording for 6 minutes. My first instinct is, get the skulls, since you know how to get them anyway. But I keep my other part of my mind saying, no, keep the skulls for a little walkthrough once you've completed all the difficulty streaks, or whatever. As you can you tell this is over the top brutality yet? Oh, I thought I was using the chainsaw. Ah, no, fire! First death. I think I might put a death count on it. I don't know. First death, third level. What are you gonna do? Oh, it'll get harder. Ah! I'm losing my intelligence. Ah! Oh, please, I'm a gentle soul. Not really, I'm heartless bastard most of the time. The other thing that I'm really impressed about this game is that how this game was created on the Unity engine, which I didn't think it was possible to make 2D games on it. 3D, what I thought was a 3D engine game. Since Unturned's on Unity, and that's 3D. Slender's on the Unity engine, and that's 3D. I haven't seen many 2D games. Like, there's Enter the Gungeon, which is 2D. And then there's also this game. And those are the only two games that I've seen. But I don't know. Could be some sneaky way the devs did it. Don't need all this ammo since I'm full up anyway. Which is a complaint I have about this game. Oh well. I would finish these guys off, but I'm not.
Connection lost.
I'm not that really. I don't have the hearts to do it. Also, strange history about this game is that originally the weapons in the preview or web demo, sorry, that I played on this game is that the weapons weren't like all arena based, like classic type, like in Doom. They were like you have to reload them. Which was really interesting. I kind of liked it, but this is I don't really mind not reloading the weapons, but I'm sure there's like some really sneaky way to make them reloadable. Who knows? Who knows? Could be really stoked if someone made a mod that allowed reloadable weapons. Only time will tell. Ooh. Yeah. Sorry for not recording for a while. I just couldn't record without my brother like ruining the recording. Fucking idiot just running straight into the wall in the lava. Ooh, that's another good detail. Is that if you shoot the lava and little droplets like flick off, it actually, the little lava droplets can be flung to hurt enemies. Oh no! No! Oh, I fell in the lava. Which is kind of a neat little detail. What the hell? I like that little detail. I never really took notice of that until I saw someone else's video on this game. And then I was really amazed. The transhuman design put a lot of work into this game. And I don't blame him. Also, they announced the level editor, which I am really stoked to use. It's kind of like a Doom snap map in a way. No, I'll show a little clip of what I'll show an image of what they put, or what they showed of the level editor. But anyway, this is the Ironworks facility then. Oh, that's so satisfying. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this really short but really satisfying video, well, a satisfying video to me at least, of Butcher. Now, please be merciful about the likes. I know no one's gonna take notice of that, but please. I don't know. Can you tell that I still suck at outros? Because I kind of do.